Welcome, explorers. Get ready to test your knowledge about the continents with our fun and fascinating quiz. Stick around to the end to see how many you get right and learn some cool facts along the way. Question 1. Which continent has the largest land area? Is it A, Africa, B, Asia, C, Europe? The correct answer is B, Asia. Asia covers around 30% of Earth's total landmass and is home to over 4.5 billion people. Question 2. Which is the smallest continent by land area? Is it A, Australia, B, Antarctica, C, South America? The correct answer is A, Australia. Despite its size, it boasts a unique array of wildlife and ecosystems. Question 3. What is the longest river in Africa? Is it A, Nile, B, Amazon, C, Mississippi? The correct answer is A, the Nile River. It stretches over 6,650 kilometers and flows through 11 countries. Question 4. Which continent is known as the birthplace of civilization? Is it A, Europe, B, Africa, C, Asia? The correct answer is B, Africa. It's where some of the earliest human societies developed. Question 5. Where is the Andes mountain range located? Is it A, North America, B, Africa, C, South America? The correct answer is C, South America. The Andes stretch over 7,000 kilometers along the western coast. Question 6. The Sahara Desert is located in which continent? Is it A, Asia, B, Africa, C, Australia? The correct answer is B, Africa. It's the largest hot desert in the world, spanning over 9 million square kilometers. Question 7. Which continent has the most countries? Is it A, Europe, B, Africa, C, Asia? The correct answer is B, Africa. It has 54 countries, each with its own unique culture and history. Question 8. The Amazon rainforest is primarily in which continent? Is it A, Asia, B, South America, C, Africa? The correct answer is B, South America. It's the largest rainforest on Earth and plays a crucial role in our ecosystem. Question 9. Which continent is home to the most spoken languages? Is it A, Europe, B, Africa, C, Asia? The correct answer is C, Asia. It has a rich tapestry of languages with thousands spoken across the continent. Question 10. Where is the Great Barrier Reef located? Is it A, Australia, B, Asia, C, South America? The correct answer is A, Australia. It's the world's largest coral reef system teeming with marine life. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quizzes and fascinating facts. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the wonders of our world.